Meaning of garbanzo.
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 Garbanzo. Garbanzo is a term commonly used to refer to a type of legume, also known as chickpea. Chickpeas are a versatile and nutritious food that can be used in salads, soups, stews, and curries, and have been a staple ingredient in various cuisines for centuries. They are a rich source of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. Along with their nutritional benefits, garbanzos have also been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and lower risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease.